So what's the sign of Jonah? We need to read this. Jesus said twice, by the way, Matthew 12 and Matthew 16, no sign shall be given to it except the sign of the prophet Jonah. We say that, well, that's the sign of the resurrection, but could it mean something else? Take a look at the context. What's the context? The previous verse. Jesus said, you know how to discern the face of the sky, but you cannot discern the signs of the times. So what's the sign of Jonah? If you don't interpret it, what is it? Something in the sky. Everyone say, look up. So what happened? In 763 BC, there was a great total solar eclipse that went over Assyria, and specifically their capital city of Nineveh. But not only that, there were two plagues that preceded the solar eclipse and followed the eclipse. The two plagues are recorded in Assyrian history in 765 BC and in 760 BC. Not only that, there was a great earthquake recorded in Amos 1:1, and it occurred in 760 BC. You get an eclipse, you get an earthquake and a plague. You get an eclipse, you get an earthquake and a plague. That's the sign of Jonah.